for the following counties in West Virginia: Boone, Fayette, Kanawha, and Raleigh. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Boone County in central West Virginia, Southeastern Boone County in central West Virginia, West Central Fayette County in southeastern West Virginia, Northwestern Raleigh County in southeastern West Virginia until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 12:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Burnwell, Wharton, Van, Powellton, Whitesville, Sylvester, Presser, Dorothy, Leewood, and Eskdale. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in West Virginia: Boone, Fayette, Kanawha, and Raleigh. All hazards. Station WXM71 in Beckley, West Virginia. This is a flood watch for the following county: Tazewell, Virginia, and the following counties in West Virginia: Mercer, Monroe, and Summers. Issued at 3:24 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flood watch in effect from 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon through Saturday afternoon. What flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible? Where? Portions of North Carolina, Virginia, and southeast West Virginia, including the following counties in North Carolina: Allegheny, North Carolina, Ashe, Caswell, Rockingham, Stokes, Surrey, Watauga, Wilkes, and Yadkin. In Virginia: Allegheny, Virginia, Bedford, Bland, Botetourt, Campbell, Carroll, Charlotte, Craig, Floyd, Franklin, Giles, Grayson, Halifax, Henry, Montgomery, Patrick, Pittsylvania, Pulaski, Roanoke, Smythe, Tazewell, and Wythe. In southeast West Virginia: Mercer, Monroe, and Summers. When? From 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon through Saturday afternoon. Impacts: excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Additional details: the remnants of Tropical Cyclone Ian are expected to bring widespread 2 to 4 inches of rain through Saturday early afternoon. Locally, higher amounts up to 6 inches are also possible, especially along the Blue Ridge and any areas where bands of heavy rain remain situated for extended periods of time. For flood safety information, please visit http://www.weather.gov/safety/. Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flash flooding occur.